Hello everyone! Today we're going to be making pom-poms. You will need yarn, 2 toilet paper rolls, 2 cardboard circles, and scissors. The first step is to take your toilet paper rolls and wrap yarn around it. I'm going to be wrapping it around 100 times. Okay, so now I wrapped it around 100 times and cut it right here. I also cut out a string to tie it up. You have to put it in between here. And then tie it around twist it around 2 times. Then we're going to take out the toilet paper rolls. And then I tie it up to make sure it's tight. Okay, so now that you tighten the string, we're going to hold this string here, and this is the fun part. You get to cut the loops. Okay, now we're going to use the 2 cardboard circles. I already cut a hole in one of them and put the string through it. We're going to use the other one also and put it on the other side. Now we're going to trim it. Okay, so now we're going to place this back on because we got to decide that we found some uneven spots. When you find some uneven spots, you can start trimming again. Okay, now we're going to take the top off and shake it. Then we're going to take the other one off. And then, if you find any other excess, you can trim it also. But if you don't, then you get this fluffy pom-pom. I hope you'll try this at home. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye.